your core business?
We at Hi-Tech Plast are basically in the business of plastic packaging, mainly containers.
Please tell us about the background of your company.
This company was promoted by Dani family, who are also a co-promoter of Asian Paints. It commenced its operations in 1994.
How your company has grown over the years?
Basically introducing new products because of its access to the latest technology and using value engineering to give value for money to its customers has been our basic strategy for growth.
What are the unique strengths of your company?
The company started with a patented European technology product, which was a specialized item in 90s to replace metal containers, and later expanded its product range by introducing thin walled containers to the industry.
What is your growth strategy? How do you look at competition?
There are very few organized sector players in this field. Our main competition therefore is with proprietary concerns.
What are the challenges?
Since our main raw material is crude oil based, to compensate for the rising cost is one. Then power requirement is very high in our manufacturing process, and the countrywide availability of power is getting scarce day by day. Therefore, we have to find ways to reduce specific consumption of power.
How do you look at opportunities?
The market for plastics is growing at about double the rate of growth of GDP. The industry therefore offers ample opportunities for growth.
How Rohtak unit is going to add to the growth of the company?
Rohtak unit, what we have started as phase 1 now, in fact is going to be our biggest plant and going to add to our volumes in a significant manner.
What is the plant capacity utilization now?
Last year we almost utilized the plant 100% to its capacity, and we have undertaken major expansion at our units in Shri Perumbudur, at Pondicherry, in addition to Rohtak.